Hello, thank you for tuning in. In this video, we're going to be talking about how does a fixed index annuity work. My name is James Usby and I'm a financial consultant, and today we're going to talk more about fixed index annuities. So you may have heard about these at a seminar, often after having a nice steak dinner. Sounds great, but when someone stands up and says this is the best product since sliced bread, you're wondering to yourself, is it really? So let's break down how a fixed index annuity works. So first, you should know that fixed index annuities were introduced in 1995 to offer returns similar to CDs, certificates of deposits, typically in the 2 to 4% range. And they're much higher now, obviously, with the rise in interest rates. They are not investments in the stock market. They are an insurance product, and the person selling you these does not have to have a Series 7, stock broker license, because these are not securities. So just bottom line, they're not investments in the stock market, even though they're sometimes presented that way. So here's how they work. A fixed index annuity is often issued by a life insurance company and regulated by the state. So the growth of your annuity is based on the performance of a stock market index, such as the S&P 500, but with limits on how much you can earn. These limits are called caps, participation rates, and spreads. So for example, if the S&P 500 goes up, your annuity's value increases, but not by the full amount of the market gain. Plus, the growth calculations do not include dividends, which are a significant part of stock market returns. It's important to know that the insurance company can change the terms each year. They decide how much of the market gains you actually get. This means the amount you earn can vary. So fixed index annuities are sort of like CDs in that they protect your principal. Your initial investment, what you put in, is safe, and any gains that you earn are locked in permanently. However, be cautious of promises upfront bonuses, which might sound attractive, but obviously those are going to come with some trade-offs. Now, can you lose money with a fixed index annuity? The answer is no. Your principal is protected, so you will not lose money if the market goes down. However, if you add an income rider, which provides guaranteed income in the future, there will be fees that could reduce your overall returns. So make sure to chat with your advisor, with your financial consultant about what the fees are on your product. So surrender charges are another thing to consider. So surrender charges, they are penalties for withdrawing your money before the end of the term, which can be 5, 7, or even 10 years. And I left out 3 years. In summary, fixed index annuities are designed for principal protection and modest growth, not for high market returns. They can be useful for generating income if you add an income rider, but obviously those riders are going to come with an additional fee that you're going to have to consider before moving forward. Now, to wrap up, fixed index annuities can be a good addition to your portfolio if you understand their purpose and their limitations. They offer safety and steady growth, which can be appealing for those looking for a low-risk option. So more on that, like I mentioned earlier, the clients that typically will purchase fixed annuities or fixed index annuities, they have safe money, a small portion of their portfolio that might be in certificates of deposits, earning 1, 2, 3%, and then they move that into a fixed annuity or a fixed index annuity for, again, the purpose of safety, because they're going to lock up their money, they're going to not lose their principal, and they're going to have a higher rate of return, especially if their rate of return is linked to the S&P 500. And one of the most popular fixed index annuities that I've seen from Pacific Life is where they have a 0% floor and a 9% cap tied to the S&P 500. So for older folks, 55 and above, typically that is a better option, because when you're nearing retirement or in retirement, you really don't have any tolerance or very little tolerance for risk. The last thing you want is your portfolio going down in value. And so fixed index annuities offer principal protection, wealth preservation, as well as opportunity for some upside. So for some more detailed information, in the link below, you can download my free No BS Financial Field Manual. It's about 15 chapters. I'm adding to it as much as I can as I get feedback. And that covers a wide variety of personal finance, investing, and retirement topics. So you can go ahead and get that right now for free. And as always, I would absolutely love it if you could hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon to get alerted, as I will be uploading very frequently. So thank you for watching, and please leave in the comments. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, and what other questions I could answer for you. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.